हेलो इंजीनियर्स, कैसे हो आप सब? होपफुली यू आर वेल. आई एम ऑल्सो फाइन. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न, as I know you know very well what we are going to learn. We are going to learn about the session कैसे cookies. Why we are going to learn, as I have seen a lot of videos on the same topic, that is not a correct information. This the common question which is asked in interview. Most frequently is common question. So let's discuss, guys. If you are like my channel, if you are like my content, please like, share, subscribe this channel. Comment also if you are like this content. If this video is making helpful for you, so please comment. So first of all, we will start from the sessions. Session, guys, if you are अवेयर विद दिस टर्म सेशन, लाइक कि हम कोई भी अमेजोन एप्लीकेशन है, मिंत्रा है, कोई भी एप्लीकेशन एक्सेस करते हैं डेस्कटॉप से या मोबाइल से, वो जब हम लॉगिन करते हैं या ऑलरेडी लॉगिन है तुम्हारे सिस्टम में, लॉगिन करने तक एंड वॉट एवर एक्टिविटीज़ वी आर परफॉर्मिंग इन दैट एप्लीकेशन टिल द एंड, तब तक हम क्लोज करते हैं वो होल प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं सेशन. विदाउट क्लोजिंग अ एप्लीकेशन वट एवर वी आर डूइंग, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सेशन. सेशन आपको पता है, सेशन होते हैं कि कोई भी एक्टिविटीज़ हम परफॉर्म करते हैं एप्लीकेशन पे, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट पेज टू वट एवर वी आर डूइंग इन द एप्लीकेशन, उसे बोलते हैं सेशन. सेशन में क्या होता है कि सेशन में यदि इफ़ यू आर एंटरिंग एनी इंफॉर्मेशन, एनी ईमेल आईडी, एनी नंबर्स, एनी डेटा while the performing activities, that data will be saved. that data will be saved. तो वो क्या होता है, हमारी जो डेटा इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है, जो हमारी सेशंस का जो इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है वो सेव्ड हो जाती है. लेट्स डिस्कस इन टर्म ऑफ द डेफिनेशन. ए सेशन इज यूज टू सेव इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑन द server momentarily so that it can be utilized across various pages of the website. What is happen, let's suppose on the first page you enter your number, your name, anything, that same fields, that the same field required in the next page, so you will enter. This is the first way. Second way, once you click on that field, automatically value will be so, as you have seen this scenario in your phone or laptop also. So utilize that data will be utilized across the application. It is overall amount of time spent on the activities, like whatever you have perform activities, it is overall amount of time spent on the activities. The user session begin when user log in the specific network application and end when the user log out the program or shut down the machine. Already I have explained. Session values are more secure. They are saved in the binary or encrypted form and can only be decoded on the server we can decode when users shut down the machine or log out the program. The session value are automatically deleted. We must save the value in the database, keep them forever. If you want to save the information, like sometime we perform some activities on the Mintra, then we want to save debit card information, credit card information, any information to just you don't want to have to enter all those things every time. So what you will do, you want to keep. So once you then you are working on your application with your system laptop, then you will see, let's suppose you enter your any card information, then after that one pop-up will become you want to save. If you click on the save, then it will save in your browser, like Chrome or whatever browser you are using. So if you want to keep that data, so you can save that also. This is all about the session. I will show you session in your um, browser also. Let's first detail. Next one is the cookies. What is cookies? A cookie is a small text file that is saved on the user computer. The maximum file size for cookies is 4 KB. Cookies is like a small text file that is saved on the user computer. A small text file that is saved in the user computer. Maximum file size is 4 KB. It is also known as the HTTP cookies. HTTP is like a term of the text format. A BAB cookies or a internet cookies, when a user first visit a website, the site send the data packet to the user computer. Site send a data packets to user computer in the form of cookies. I will show you what exactly cookies. The information stored in the cookies is not safe since it is kept the client side. It is kept on the client side in the text format that anybody can see. We can active or disable cookies based on our needs. Guys, this is the text format, text file, and it is saved in the user computer, and it is not saved, it is not safe, but it is kept on the client side in text format, or user can active or disable cookies based on our needs. I will show you. Let's see let's see I have opened the Amazon application, and whatever you believe, now session has started once I have clicked in on this application. And let's suppose we click on this and this one. Anything else, guys? See, now I have a just click on inspect. Now this is the element, BAB element, which is used on the BAB element, which is used for the creating the UI of the this page. Element, all those things you can see in this element section. This one is the console. Here you can see all the errors which while the performing any activities you can see over there. Let's go ahead. Where in the application is the main agenda, main thing of the whole application. You can see, guys, we are learning first of all the session is come here, guys. Come here. When we click on this section, origin, what the origin, URL, then key we have received, then this one, address true with this URL, and the data which we have received. Session, already I have discussed with whatever session. देखो product ID, this one product ID, schema ID 3, and weight, all these things will be there. I know you will not understand what the exactly things, but you can understand the product ID and schema ID. These the things which we have performed. Item, this one item, and this one we have click on this one. All those things will be there in that manner. Let's see, learn again. Session is the save the information at the server side. What session information on the server momentarily, so that it may be utilized across various pages of the website. And session values are far more secure since they can save binary encrypted form and decode the server. And you can see this is the data we have received. Whatever we did, then we receive this format. And another thing is about the cookies size. This one is the cookies is basically text data, store the text format data at user end. It is the store the data in the text format at the user end, but it is not safe. See, guys, USD and domain, paths, expiry, and when we use 2025, maximum age, size 9611312, what the data is about the http only secure same site. Like sometime we use the another side also now, while the priority medium session id, what the session we have used by in this. This one is the session id, value this one, skins this one, all the information you can see in this cookies section. This the another data also. We can't understand what exactly words, but you can see uh, cookies information. It's the cookies information at the user end, and as well as it is stored the data at server side also. This one, and last one is the cookies and local storage. There's a different thing. So la caches, let's learn that first theoretically. Yes guys, cache. Cache refer to the storage layer that save copies of web resources such as HTML pages, images, JavaScript, CSS file to improve the performance of the website. Why why storage these resources locally on the client side machine? The cache reduce the time it can be client side machine. The cache reduce the time it take to load frequently website page, decrease the amount of time. Cache is like, let's suppose you are you have run one session, or you are using application, you are come back on a previous page, then you will come easily because that data, previous data already is stored in your device. That the same mean cache is helping to loading that page easily because that page already load in your computer, in your browser. With the help of the cache, it will easily to see all, or it will easy to load that page. We will know, we will don't wait same time as I have need to wait first time visit that page. Let's learn. By storing these resources locally on the client-side machine, the cache reduces the time it takes to load frequently visited page and decrease the amount of data that need to be retrieved from the server. This means that upon revisiting the site, the browser can quickly load these resources from the cache rather than the downloading them again. The approaches help in spending a page load time and enhancing the overall browser experience. Cache is helping to you know helping to overall browser experience. User can close, let's suppose we perform the some activities on the Amazon application, then close, then came back, then it will take less time instead of the when I have used in a day. Second time I'm using Amazon application, then we will take few less time, uh, then we can access easily. This is I'm saying. Let's learn. Then you can see this information server, and the and everyone can see on the which we are handling the application, Amazon application, taking the all the users, like who have used application and how number of users viewing the application. Let's see the CA tab browsing, like, and gateway, and HD desktop, and slideshow, and last interaction, this one encrypted form. You can see this data in encrypted form, it is saved at our computer. And as well as server can see also. Thank you so much guys. I'm creating continuously lot of content for you on this with the new content. If you are liking my channel, please like, share, subscribe this channel. I will upload more and more videos. I will show you one more thing also. Let's suppose, hey guys, this is the main important things which I want to share with you. Already I have discussed session, cookies, cache. While the accessing this application, we stored the information on the session. uh, this one session shape the information server momentarily. They can utilize the across various pages of the website. It help to whatever you have performed, then it will save on the customer browser. Once you are shut down, then it will shut down or close all your information automatically. Session value automatically deleted. You must save value in the database, keep forever. Cookies is the small text file that save the user computer. This is all about the cache. Is basically a storage layer that save copies of web resources such as HTML, images, kind of things. So while the accessing this application, we store the cache storage, we store the cookies, we store the session storage. There are a lot of things. Then we got this kind of storage only accessing this application. Once you clear this side, then data will be removed. You will run as a fresh session. Let's see. I will show you one example. I come here, then I clear the cache. The you can see guys. Now we are on the home page. Once we back, then we got this again. So we at the sometime we are performing testing, then this is the restriction things. You have clear your cache clear, then before the run your session, you should clear your cache. That means you will run in the you will see all the activities, all the application functionality in a good manner. Instead of the all cases in your desktop, you will not finding any major issue in that case. Once you clear your cache, then you are using as a running new session, that will you can access it, you can access perfectly instead of the any uh, sometime you know what happen if you are not clearing your cache but you are continuously performing testing on the same session. Maybe some issues missed, or maybe you will not maybe some kind of due to session you will not able to perform some field or visible correctly, some images some field issues kind of things. Okay, if you are liking my channel, please like, share, subscribe this channel. Thank you.